This 2025 Brinkley RV Model Z Air 285 is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Giddings, Texas, 78942 and is offered for sale by Funtown RV, Giddings. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Brinkley RV is 33 feet 0 inches in length and features a coastal Carolina interior, sleeps 3, slide-out, and 62 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features couples coach, front bedroom, kitchen island. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.